Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a cute scarecrow. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper and the first thing I'm gonna do is a curved line that goes right and it's gonna look like this. Okay, then after we're gonna do curved lines that go up, one on the left and one on the right. And then after I'm going to extend these curved lines up just a little bit. Now let's join these two together by doing a line. They go from point to point. And on top of this one, I'm going to do a rectangle shape. So I'm going to go in a little, and now let's join them together. There. Now I'm going to do a curved line here, go on top, so I'm going in a little again. And I'm going up and down and curve up. Now let's extend this one a little bit. And now let's close it here. Just going down. So that's the hat. And you see I'm leaving a space in each side. And here I want to put some details. I'm going to put two little lines for like the hay that is coming out of him. And here I want to put a patch. So for that I'm doing a square with a couple lines around. Let's put one more here, two lines for hay, and that's about it for the hat. Now let's continue with the face around here, okay? So let's do a letter U. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna start doing a letter U really slow. Now let's do some hair, and for that I'm doing rectangles, and they are very thin rectangles, and I'm just gonna put these ones all over. They can go in different directions, okay, and they can go different sizes, just like that. Let's put one more down here, and that's it. Now let's do the same thing in the other side, on the right side. Let's do more rectangles, and here you can copy what I'm doing, or you can do your own thing. Just remember they are thin rectangles, okay? Now let's continue with the nose, and this one is a triangle, and the corners are a little round. Now I'm doing two little eyes, and for that I'm just gonna do two little dots in each side of the nose. And here we're gonna do a smile with a letter U. Now on the top, under the hat, I'm gonna do more squares. It's kind of like the end of the rectangle shapes. And here on the sides, we're gonna do two little lines. And let's do one more patch here, with also lines on the side. Let's continue with the body. Here I'm gonna do a letter U for the neck, and then we're gonna do another one around that one here, and I'm gonna put a line in the middle, kind of like a triangle. And from this point I'm gonna go down, the same thing on the right side, and we're gonna close this with letter U's that go together. Just like that. Okay, so now underneath we're gonna put more rectangles for the hay that is coming out of him, just like this. We're gonna continue doing rectangles all underneath here, and let's do two more, and that's it. Okay, now let's continue with the arms. So I'm gonna do here, up here, two lines, and they are going a little diagonal. So one is going up a little and the other one is going down a little, and it's gonna look like this. Let's do it again on the right side, just up and down, and they look like this. And now I'm gonna do a rectangle that goes around. So I'm going in a little bit and then go around, and I'm gonna extend this line, and I'm gonna close it. Okay, and now I'm putting a line from here. And now we're gonna make some hay getting out of his sleeves. And again, we're gonna do rectangles, lots of it. Okay, there. Now let's put some details on him. So here on the sleeves, I'm gonna put two little lines just for a detail, like to make it look more like it's stitching in there, and two little lines for hay. Now in the middle, we're gonna do buttons. So those I'm doing a circle and four little dots in the middle. Okay, so let's do it again. 4 dots, and one more time, a circle and 4 dots. There. Now let's do the other sleeve. The same thing. We're gonna do a rectangle that goes around, and then we're gonna join these two together with a curved line. Okay, and let's repeat again 2 little lines here for details, and some hay getting out of his shoulders. And let's do more rectangles for hay that goes out of his sleeves. Just like this. And there we go. Now I want to do lines in the middle of all this hay just to make it look more. Let's do lines here in the middle of these ones. And that's it. We're almost done. So let's continue with the post that he is on. And we're going to do 2 lines here. Just like this. They're a little long. And on the bottom, we're going to do grass. So for that, I'm just doing like a zigzag line. Here, I'm going to put one more for the grass, and that's it. The last detail is going to be 2 little dots and a couple lines for texture. And I'm almost forget here of putting eyebrows on him. So let's do 2 little lines on the top of his eyes. 1 and 2, and that's changed his face. There, that's it. We finished. And now my favorite part. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.